Okay, what we got here today is a Toyota Corolla. That's a similar Toyota Camry too, 2009. This one specific as 2009. All the way to, I don't know exactly what year, but when you have cylinder number 1 and cylinder number 2 low compression and misfire in cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, and you really change spark plug, coil, and everything. You do the basic, check and changes before you start getting deeper. So that's what happened. I want to show you right now what happened, why we got those low compression. You see the head gasket, you see how it's broken. So basically when one cylinder is coming up, the compression passes to the second cylinder. When second cylinder is coming up, compression passes to the first cylinder. So that's why you're never going to get compression, and you're always going to be misfiring. That's a common problem with Toyota. It's a quick video, guys, so let me know you guys want to see the process how to ensemble the whole engine back.